Hi, this is Rich from Wormico. Welcome to this series of videos where I'll be unlocking a key feature of the Wormico Tower and explain how it can help you and your worms to have an awesome composting experience. Worms, just like us, need food and water to survive. But in a worm bin, water and food can really influence their behavior. In this video, I'll reveal the surprising role moisture plays and why it's a key to healthy composting. Worms are living creatures that depend on moisture to survive. Their skin needs to stay damp so they can breathe, and without the right level of moisture, they could die. So wherever there's food and water, that's exactly where worms will go. In nature, you'll find them feeding in the top layer of the forest floor. This upper layer is rich in leaf litter that's constantly refreshed by rainfall and dew. This combination of food and moisture creates a perfect environment for worms to thrive. Inside the Wormico Tower, we've designed the same idea. The top tray, known as the working tray, holds the food scraps. It should have around 70% moisture content, just like damp soil after a rain shower. Here you'll find worms are most active, moving around, feeding, and multiplying. As we move downwards through the tower, moisture levels naturally decrease. By the time we reach the bottom, moisture should have reduced to around 40%. At this dry level, worms don't want to stay. They instinctively move upward toward the more moist layers, leaving behind processed castings that are ready to be harvested. This layered design is one of the key principles of the Wormico Tower. Each tray will retain the same height of substrate. That consistency means the moisture gradient is predictable, from 70% up top to 40% at the bottom. Worms follow this gradient naturally and will allow you to harvest castings more easily. In some worm towers, trays nest, and so the material in each can be at different heights and are filled unevenly. When the substrate is deeper in one tray and shallow in another, the moisture balance is harder to control and the gradient becomes unreliable. That makes it more difficult to manage the worms and to harvest at the right time. The Wormico Tower creates more uniform layers that makes managing moisture a little more easier. Worms follow moisture and the food. By recreating the moisture gradient found in nature, you'll be able to enjoy easier harvests and more predictability with your worms. So that's secret one unlocked. Who would have thought that moisture influences worm behavior? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you would like to see more videos in this series, then please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video.